Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative, and today on this spread we are working with the word form. And just as I start doing my voiceover, the heat comes on. It's a little bit cold here where we are. So what I did was I ripped up some it's a not a photocopy, sorry, a printout of an old newspaper from France, and I stamped a house onto that because I thought about sort of construction and architecture with the word form. So this is why I pulled out this one, because this looks like some fancy I think trim sort of ideas that you would find in a pretty cushy house. So there's that word form. My other idea was to, kind of how we form our thoughts and putting together our artwork, looking at the form, just a big play on words. So I also added some grid style washi tape, and you'll also notice that I'm just using tape, a tape dispenser to put down the elements in the journal. So this cute paper I've had my eye on for a while, and I finally used it. I just ripped it down the middle, and then you can see I'm trying to line it all up so that there's that space in the middle. This little quote that I'm putting on a piece of brown paper, it is by Josiah Gilbert Holland, and it says, "There is no royal road to anything, one thing at a time, all things in succession. That which grows fast withers as rapidly. That which grows slowly endures." So I kind of felt like that really fit with the theme of sort of building on. And here is another house in that stamp collection that I thought would go well, and I stamped that on vellum. Now right here I stamped these flowers thinking I wanted a pop of red. And I'll just tell you that right after I did this, I went and had a nap because I was not happy. So you can see there that I decided to fix it. So what I did was I ripped out more paper to cover up those flowers. And this is the thing about collage, like if there's something that you're not entirely happy with, you can change it. You can add to it. You can change, like you can fix your problems here. So I just chose some really neat stamps that have sort of like a tile, old tiles, fitting in with that idea of construction and building and form. And then I'm just strategically placing them over those flowers. Sometimes the picture in your head doesn't quite show up the way you had envisioned. So, it's just something to do, right? So after that, I felt like we needed some floral stickers. That's my little sticker holder. It's like a baseball card holder. And I, frustratingly, ripped one of the leaves on here, so I had to really be careful when I set it down to make sure it laid down nicely. And I tried to choose plants that you would find around a home. So I want to thank you so much for your time today and watching this video. Some inspiration. Hopefully you feel inspired and not afraid to make mistakes because they happen. So thank you, and I'll see you later.